Hi guys, do you have it that sometimes you see something on the internet and then you immediately want to try it? I've seen some video on TikTok with a guy at a festival serving boiled peanuts. Generally Tex-Mex spicy Cajun recipes. I thought it's just a hype, like all those different TikTok videos with some weird stuff, like the recent trend with a coffee and orange juice, which seems disgusting. But I did some research and apparently there's a quite popular snack served at different festivals. I tried researching some recipes and most call for like a bushel of peanuts, 3 pounds of salt, so really tremendous amounts. And they call for fresh peanuts or dried peanuts. Unfortunately, I have only these roasted peanuts. Didn't find that exact recipe for such a small quantity, so we'll experiment. Got a whole bunch of really spicy peppers. These are 400 grams. Got some fresh sea salt and some Knorr garlic powder cubes. Really love these because they include, what is that? Glutaminon monosodowy. How do you call it in English? Sodium monoglutamate or something like that. So everyone's really complaining that all the food contains this. This gives you this excellent umami taste. So these are much better than the regular granulated garlic. Better taste-wise. I don't know about the health effects, but with such small cubes, whatever it contains, I don't think it should be bad for you. Nevertheless, got a huge pot because I gotta boil these for something anywhere from, I've seen 1.5 hours to 8 hours, depending on the freshness of the nuts and the texture you want to achieve. I will try maybe 3 hours for a start, and then we'll try tasting them, because boiling for too long on the other hand will make them all mushy. So maybe the taste would be good, but then the texture is so-so. So see you in about 3 hours. Hopefully these will come out okay. So, not 3 hours, but almost 4. I tried one after 3 hours, it was still quite hard. So let's hope it will be better now. The water doesn't look too appetizing, but hopefully the nuts will be okay. I'll just move the phone up above and we'll try one. Okay. One weird thing is this steam from the pot really aggravates the airways. I don't know if it's the nuts or if it's the spicy peppers. Well, one thing that's quite common is the food allergy to peanuts. I don't know if I'm allergic to peanuts. I've been eating them my whole life, never had any reactions, but trying to breathe in those fumes really makes it difficult to breathe. Oh. So maybe I'll just fish one nut out and move away from the pot. Although quite hot. And after those 4 hours of boiling, surprisingly still quite firm. I read in some articles that hardcore lovers of these nuts eat them with a shell, although I believe that's probably after those 8 hours of boiling, because after 4 this is not much softer than the dry nuts. Just see inside. So the nuts themselves are also quite hard, just a bit softer than usual dry nuts. And actually really, really good. Oh, not as spicy as I would expect. I tried the water earlier to make sure it's spicy enough. It was really spicy. I guess that spicy bean doesn't get through the shell. Maybe 1 more hour of boiling will make it better. So really easy recipe, just time consuming. So it's worth a while to try yourself. You can now understand why it's so popular during some games. Although reading those articles, it seems it's most popular in Texas and some other southern states. I'm not surprised it's not countrywide. I'll just grab another one. Oh, I guess this will be pretty much all gone in an hour. Although it could be a bit more spicy. Now this one had some really hot water inside. As they say, it got really heavy from the temperature. It's difficult to hold it. Really, really good. So that's it for today. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and see you again soon.